Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Spotify not downloading music. So the first thing, if you're trying to download the music and you're unable to download it, the first thing is because you do not have Spotify Premium. Now remember, to download music on Spotify or to listen to music offline on Spotify, the first thing is you need to have Spotify Premium. If you do not have Spotify Premium, then sorry, you cannot download music on Spotify. That's their feature. But if you have Spotify Premium and you're still facing this problem, let me show you guys how you guys can fix it. So the first thing is you can go to the setting over here, scroll down until you see this download using cellular over here and it is turned off. If I try to download music on Spotify using my cellular data, it won't because the setting is off. So turn it on so you would be able to download music even if you're using a cellular data on Spotify, if you're trying to download music using your cellular data. But like, this doesn't bother you if you're downloading music with your Wi-Fi because this is just for your cellular data. And if that doesn't fix it, then the second thing you can do is make sure your internet connection is stable, because if you have a slow internet connection, then it won't download as well. And the third thing you can do is go to your Play Store and check if your Spotify is up to date. So let me go to my Play Store and check the Spotify. So as you guys can see, there's an open button over here. So if there is an update button instead of open, which means my Spotify is not up to date and I need to update my Spotify. So if you guys have an update button as well, then make sure to update your Spotify. And if you still face this problem even after updating your Spotify, then the last thing you can do is clear the cache of Spotify. It's basically like offloading Spotify. So for this, go to setting. Now remember, the setting interface in different Android is different. I'm using Oppo, so the setting interface for your Android might be different. So if you guys have a different Android phone, then you can just go to YouTube and search for how to offload app on your phone's name. Type it down and it should show you. But for me, I'm going on my setting, and on my setting I can scroll down and go on app management over here, and on app management I can go on Spotify over here. I can click on it and then go on storage usage, and on storage usage click on clear data and then click on clear, and that should clear my cache. Now remember, after you clear your cache, you need to log into your Spotify again. So that should fix your problem and you should be able to download your music again. And if you can't download music even after doing all this, then the last option is to report this problem to Spotify, and Spotify staff will try to fix it from their end. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.